Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all kids? I hope you all are enjoying your video classes at home. Well, today we are going to learn something new. Before that, let us just recall what we did in our last week's videos. If you remember, we discussed two different types of number system. And which were they? Indian number system and international number system. And there we learned how we read the large numbers. Now today we are going to do something different with the numbers, that is we are going to round the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and thousands. Okay, now when we say rounding of numbers, here we are going to estimate or guess that number will be closer or will be more near to which tens, 100 or 1000. Now to start with, first we are going to round the numbers to nearest 10. Tens means here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90s. Okay, these are the tens. Now we will see the given number is close to which tens. Okay. Now when we say tens, we have to change this tens place. Okay. First I have two digit number, that is ones and tens. Now how we guess or how do we round it to the nearest tens? This 10, this digit in the tens place will change. Okay, either it will stay in the same tens or it will go to the next tens. That depends on our ones digit. If this digit, ones digit is 5 or more than 5, then the tens will go to the next tens, like 60 will go to 70. If this number is less than 5, like if it is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then the tens remains the same. Now let us do the 63. Now 3 is less than 10, less than 5. This 3 is less than 5. So the tens remains the same. Okay, so the tens will be 6 itself, and the nearest 10 to 63 is 60. Now let us try our next number. We have a 3 digit number. We have ones, tens and hundreds. Now when we are rounding it to the nearest 10, we only have to consider ones and tens place. We are not going to look at hundreds place. We will only take tens and ones. And the procedure remains the same, the steps remains the same like what we did in our first number. We will look at the ones digit. Now if ones digit is 5 or more than 5, then this tens place will increase and go to the next tens. So now here ones place we have 8, which is more than 5. So that means this 7 will change to 8, it will go to the next tens. From 70, it will go to the 80. Okay, 4 will remain as it is. We are not going to change hundreds place because we are only changing it to nearest tens. So 4 remains the same. Now only this is what we had to check and change, right? So here 8 is more than 5. So 70 will be changed to 80. The nearest 10 will be 80. Okay, so 78 is close to 80, not to 70, right? If you look at the number sequence, 78 will fall very close to 80 and it will be far from 70. Okay. Now same way we will try to do in our next number. That here we have 4 digits, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Again we are going to round this number to nearest 10. So we have to only look at these 2 digits. We are not going to touch these 2 digits, they will remain as it is. Only the changes will come here. Okay. So now we have to see 52 whether it is close to 50 or 60. Okay, 52 whether it is close to 50 or it will be close to 60. That depends on our ones place. If this ones place is 5 or more than 5, that it will go to 60, but it is less than 5. So it is close to 50. So, these two digits remain the same. 5 and 6 will remain the same. Now, 52 is close to 50, not 60, right. So, this number will change to 50. So, this is how we round the numbers to nearest tens. I hope you have understood what we have done. We have rounded the given number to which 10 it is close to. Okay, like 63, 60 and 70. To which 10 it will be close? 60. Same way 78. 78 will be close to 70 or 80. We saw that it was close to 80. So, this number we have rounded up to the closest 10. Okay. So, now we move on to our next part, that is nearest 100. Now, when we say 100, we have to change the hundreds place, like it is hundreds means 100, 200, 300, 400. So, we have to see the number is close to which 100. Okay. So, we start with the first number, ones, tens and hundreds. Now, when we say we have to change hundreds place, here we will check tens place. Whether it is 5 or more than 5 or less than 5, we have to check at this tens place. This tens place will tell us whether this 500 will go to 600 or will remain with 500. Okay. So, if this place, tens place is 5 or more than 5, then this 5 will change to 6. If it is less than 5, it will remain 500 only. So, here we can say it is less than 5, it is 3. So, this 100, the nearest 100 to this number is 500. So, 539 is close to 500 and not to 600. Clear? Now, next again we have ones, tens, hundreds and thousand, 4 digit number. Fourth digit will remain as it is, only these 3 numbers we have to check. Okay? We have to change these 3 numbers. Here you will see that 8 we have written as it is, only this 2 we have to change. Which is the number next to 2 in tens place? 7, that is more than 5. So, that means this 100 will go to the next 100, that is 300. So, 276 is close to 300 and not to 200, because it is more than 5 over here, that is more than 50, that means. Okay. Next, again here we have 4 digits, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Our thousands place will remain as it is, since we are rounding it up only at hundreds place. Okay. Now, here we have 900 and we have 1 in the tens place. Now, 1 is less than 5, right? 1 is less than 5. So, this one will remain as it is. That means it is close to 900. Okay. So, 3910 is close to 3900. Clear? Next, we move on to nearest 1000. Now, when we say 1000, we have to change this thousands place, and for that which place we have to check? Hundreds place. Whether it is 5, less than 5, more than 5, we have to check here in hundreds place. Okay. So, we have ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now, we have to consider all these places, all the 4 digits we have to consider. Okay. Now, this is the place that we need to round off. For that, we will check hundreds place. Here in hundreds place, we have 2. 2 is less than 5. That means it will remain in the same thousands. If it is 5 or more than 5, then this will move to next 1000. But here, since it is 2, it will remain in the same thousands, that is 4000. So, the answer for this, the nearest 1000 is 4000. Okay. Next, here we have ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Again, we have to check, we have to change this 1000. For that, we have to check the hundreds place. Here we can see it is 5. If we have 5 or more than 5, I told you we go to the next 1000. Okay. So, here Since we have 5, this 1000 will move to the next 1000, that is 8000. It will be close to 8000. Okay. Now last one over here, we have to change our thousands place. We have to check whether it will remain the same or whether it will go to the next 1000. For that we have, everything depends on our previous digit. So here in our previous place, in the hundreds place, we have 7, which is more than 5 again. So when it is, this is more than 5, this will also be more. Okay. So 8 will become 9. The closest 1000 for this number is 9000. Children, you need to practice these concepts so that you become perfect in them. Okay. So keep practicing and stay safe at home. Till then, Jazakallah khaira. Assalamu alaikum.